The nature of the atomic nucleus. The New Zealand scientist Ernest Rutherford in 1908 employed two of his students to look into what was held to be a concept of the atomic nucleus, where it was essentially solid with electrons more or less floating around in pudding, and it was called the plum pudding theory or model, in this essentially solid atomic nucleus. What the students did is they took the positively charged alpha particles and fired them into the nucleus of atoms. What they were able to find was quite surprising. Some of them passed directly through to the other side of the atom. Some of the positively charged alpha particles hit 90 degrees or directly onto the positively charged nucleus and bounced back either at 180 degrees or off at other angles. This, they concluded, was a clear indication that there are densely point-like centers of positive charge surrounded by a large volume of mostly empty space. He reasoned that a positively charged alpha particle that scored a direct hit on one of the platinum nuclei was strongly repelled by its positive charge and deflected through a large angle like a ping pong ball colliding with a cannonball. And that was Rutherford's study of the nature of the atomic nucleus. And that's it. Have a great day.